So LegoLand is about to have the 10th anniversary, or birthday, and they're building a massive cake. Out of Legos, of course. Not working on it right now, though. Hey everybody, welcome to LegoLand Florida Resort for the VIDIYO Music Fest. And that is a mobile DJ. Previous time I was here, they'd reopened Miniland briefly, as I believe they were getting their building materials in for the project to cover Miniland. Obviously, Miniland is closed again because they have resumed the project. So soon, these bricks will have some shade and won't go bad as quickly, won't yellow as quickly in the sun because it won't be directly on them. I assume that this will be open for trick or treat in a little less than a month because they usually put some Halloween things in Miniland. Well, I'll find out because I'm going to be here for both days of trick or treat this year. And here's something interesting. They have temporarily displaced some of the buildings. Looks like Las Vegas right here. Actually, all of this is Las Vegas. Are you guys going to Las Vegas? What movie is that from? Looks like the crew doesn't get the day off on a Sunday. Looks like they have another piece of Las Vegas to move. Over here is where, sorry, I'm trying to hold this steady, but it's all the way zoomed in. Over here is where those pieces I showed you just a moment ago usually go in Las Vegas. Back over here to the staging area for the Miniland cover construction project. Looks like they have quite a bit to go, but they've obviously made a lot of progress since I've been here last, but it was a while. There's some more over here as well. It won't be long before I'm back here for a trick or treat. I'm going on the 2nd and the 3rd this year. Just had the day off approved for the 2nd. Yes, I normally work weekends. Ooh, directional arrows. There was a radio star here, but video killed it.
Mission team number 1.
Looks like I'm here just in time. This is a warm-up act.
All right, you guys get the idea, right? You guys are getting better. So we're gonna.
This is a generally unused stage, so it's a good place to have it.
Go ahead and hit it. Oh, get a little tricky there. All right. Oh, you guys, this one is super cool. It'll definitely put a pep into your step. So get up, stand up, and get ready to learn some awesome dance moves!
There once was a ship that put to sea. The name of the ship was a belly of tea.
Right, beat those drums, beat those drums.
We'll take her leave and go. She'd not been 2 weeks from shore.
International superstar, DJ L.L.A.M.A! Is the first LEGO character to ever sign his own record deal, guys. It's pretty crazy. He's collaborated with such artists as Carmen de Leon and Neo. His video Shake has been viewed over 1.1 million times on social media, and his name stands for love, laughter, and music always. So I want everyone to give a huge round of applause and welcome to the stage, DJ L.L.A.M.A! Make some noise, guys!
By entering this area, you give permission to be filmed or photographed by me. There's the man himself, heading out.
Llama, you're out there killing it. Good job.
Woot! Enter if you dare. Oh, right. Trick or treat's next month, sorry. More going on over here. And I got 19% battery. That's okay, got a nice pair. So over here, you stand in front of the giant smartphone and you make yourself a little video. Some AR stuff, that's cool. See if I can do this straight on. This is not. This looks like a game, like a game show style, but I don't think it is. So part of the construction update, unexpected. Most theme parks have work walls up at some point. There's a work fence. I'm just kidding. It's functionally it's the same thing, and because air can flow through it, it's probably less likely to blow over. Although usually they stack a whole bunch of cinder blocks on it, but still, it works. And it's sandwich time. I am going to go with the beef brisket sandwich, but without the onions and peppers. I do really love that barbecue brisket mac and cheese bowl, but yeah, I've had it a few times, so it's time for something different. Inside for just a moment because we have a brief rain shower passing, but a perfect time to enjoy some food. So technically these are supposed to be sliders. I don't know why they're called sliders. I mean, where do they slide to? I don't know. So I broke it up into sliders. A little greasy, but that's okay. It's good. Of course, I ordered mine without the onions and peppers because I always gotta be me and picky, but I like it. I'll say it's probably just as good as the mac and cheese, just you know, obviously different. Mac and cheese might be a little cleaner. Make sure you grab some napkins. There were some, but I walked over here, like I said, because it was about to rain, and woo, literally I felt the first few drops as I was walking into the door, a few feet away from the door, so worked out really well. I mean, when I say greasy, it's not like, oh my God, it's so greasy. It's like, it's just a little, just enough that you might need like a napkin or two. It's not like bad. We interrupt this video for a rain delay. Looks like some props and things coming in for Brick or Treat. And they had to close everything off for the rain. Looks like whatever attraction's coming here is coming pretty soon. This fall. It's almost fall. I mean, it's officially summer until late September, but well, this was the entrance to the coffee shop. No, it's just a wall. And finally, time for a Pepe Pig update. But first, you might remember last time I was here, I said they were building a pathway over here for something. It is for model citizens only. A lot has changed since I was here last. There's roller coaster track up, a lot of cool stuff. There was a recent hard hat tour of this for media. I was not invited. And there is the attraction, which gave away that it's Pepe Pig on the plans, because you can clearly see the whistle-shaped head on, I think it wasn't really blueprints, but on the press release. I think it was actually in the permits. Here's another look at the balloon ride. Jason? Go inside. Oh, never mind. And that's about all I can show you from here. Anchors on an airship. Okay. Well, if nothing else, I'll be here for the grand opening, I think.